Today I'd like to take a look at white blood cells, so-called leukocytes. Leukocytes meaning white empty cells. These cells are made in the bone marrow. I'm going to look at two types of leukocytes, monocytes and lymphocytes. Let's first look at the lymphocytes. There are basically two main types. One type, which develops by passing to the thymus gland, are called T cells. The others are called B cells. T cells come in three forms: helper T cells, cytotoxic T cells, and suppressor T cells. The helper T cells are particularly important. They activate the cytotoxic T cells, and the cytotoxic T cells themselves, some of them form memory T cells which will remember pathogens when they meet them later. The same cytotoxic T cells also cause the rejection of transplants. They also destroy virus-infected cells and tumours. The helper cells also activate the monocytes. These then develop into macrophages, which by phagocytosis destroy the pathogens. Phagocytosis means they enclose the pathogen inside the cell. Parts of the pathogen are then presented on the surface of the macrophage and presented to the helper T cells. The helper T cells also activate B cells, which, when they meet a pathogen, produce two types of cells: the plasma cells, which produce antibodies, and memory cells, which will produce antibodies in future infections. Finally, we have the suppressor cells, and these are responsible for closing down the cell-mediated immune response. So, that's a quick look at leukocytes.